30 Days to Master Your Cricut, day 8. We are doing our first project today, and it is going to be a vinyl project. Let's jump into Cricut Design Space.
We're gonna start with a simple name decal. So you're gonna grab a text box off to the side, and I'm gonna type out my name. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go up to the font. It's gonna be up top. This is how we change our font style. If you have Cricut Access, you have access to all of these fonts. If you don't, you can always download fonts, and I can make a video on that if you need it. But I'm just gonna choose one of the fonts that's already mine. I'm gonna use something a little bit scripty. I like this font. It's called Garlic Shrimp. It's not too big, not too small. Now we can resize this by dragging out the corner. If you do it on the side, it's going to change your lettering. And if you do it this way, it's going to really do nothing. Now I have my name set up, but if I go and send this, it's gonna cut out each individual letter. We do not want that. While I'm highlighted on my name, I'm gonna go down here to the bottom. I'm gonna hit combine and I'm gonna hit weld. Yesterday's video, I went over this whole panel, so go check that out. So now these letters are going to cut all together, and you can change the color if you need to up top. You don't have to do this if you're only cutting one color. Since we're cutting vinyl, you are going to keep this on a basic cut. You do not need to touch this menu just yet. Once you have it sized to where you want it to be, again, you can drag, or you can come up here and type in the width or the height. You can go up here to the corner and hit make. You want to make sure your machine is correct before you hit this, because you cannot change this once it is hit. This is what it should look like on your mat. We are using adhesive vinyl. We are not mirroring. I am also using on mat. If you are using smart vinyl, you would go over here and you would change it to without mat. Down at the bottom, I'm gonna hit continue. Now we need to get our material. I'm gonna go to browse all materials and I'm gonna type in vinyl. It's going to give you a lot of options. You might have to try different things that cut your vinyl depending on the brand you're using. So don't get upset with yourself if it's not cutting properly first time. My suggestion is to make a small circle on your canvas and send it over and test it first. I usually go with one of the premium vinyls. I feel like the pressure is really good. I'm gonna do premium removable matte. If I need to, I'll just cut twice. I'll show you how to do that.
And I hate to do this, but this video is getting too long, so come back tomorrow to finish this project.